got everything here. We got prime hanger steaks, ground turkey, Oreo mousse cake, chicken cutlets, sweet potato fries. We got the turkey hill. We got the drumstick ice cream. Man, we got churros in this motherfucker for days. What am I coming in here for, though? Man, I got more sweet potatoes. Got the prime chuck meat. Got a couple of flank steaks. Some more ice cream under there. Just fucking steaks and pork loins and all sorts of fucking shit. All of this doctor shit. Max, when are you gonna fucking... What else we got under there?